Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, which has officially been announced. Samsung is pushing the limits once again, and this year's Ultra tablet is shaping up to be the most powerful Android tablet we've seen so far. So, let's break down everything you need to know from design and display to performance, battery life, and pricing. Starting with the display, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra comes with a massive 14.6-inch anti-reflective screen. This is Samsung's way of making sure you get that premium visual experience without annoying glare, whether you're watching Netflix or working on documents. Brightness also gets a huge upgrade this year, going from 930 nits all the way up to 1600 nits peak brightness. That's nearly double, which means outdoor visibility and HDR content are going to look stunning. As for the design, Samsung has trimmed things down. The tablet is now 5.1mm thin compared to 5.4mm before, and the bezels are even slimmer. The notch has also been reduced in size, giving it a much cleaner and more modern look. Despite being thinner, it still feels solid and premium in hand. Powering such a huge display is no easy task, but Samsung has increased the battery size from 11,200 mAh to 11,600 mAh. While it's not a massive jump, every bit counts when you're using a display this large and bright. This should give you all-day performance, whether you're gaming, working, or streaming. Under the hood, the Tab S11 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset. With MediaTek stepping in, Samsung seems confident that the 9400 Plus can handle demanding tasks, from multitasking with DeX mode to running high-end games and creative apps. Storage options include 256GB, 512GB, and even 1TB. This makes the Tab S11 Ultra a dream machine for professionals, students, and content creators who need tons of storage. Samsung is also refreshing the S Pen experience, though there's a big change this year. The new S Pen does not have Bluetooth functionality. That means features like remote camera control won't be available. Still, for note-taking, sketching, and general productivity, the S Pen remains responsive and precise, and it attaches magnetically for charging and storage. Of course, we can't ignore Samsung's big push this year, Galaxy AI. Just like with the Galaxy S24 series, you're going to see AI features baked right into the Tab S11 Ultra. Expect real-time translation, smart summaries, and advanced editing tools, all designed to help you work smarter and faster. Now, let's talk pricing. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra starts at $1,199, which places it firmly in premium territory. But considering the huge display, upgraded brightness, larger battery, and powerhouse performance, Samsung is clearly targeting professionals and power users who want the very best Android tablet experience available today. And that's everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. What do you think? Is this the best Android tablet of 2025, or are you waiting for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.